If you're struggling to become profitable and you're still using Excel spreadsheets to journal your trades, then you should try FX Bullsheet instead. It shows you all your metrics at a glance. We have a yearly and monthly calendar, so you can view all your trades at a click of a button. You can see your monthly returns easily. Our AI gives you monthly reports so that you can see what's working and what's not. It's then plotted as a score, so you can see if you're progressing or if you're downtrending. You can create up to 10 trade accounts within FX Bullsheet, so you can analyse them as a whole, or you can see which is your best performing account or your worst performing account. Each account you create allows you to see all the trades within that account, and each one is easily clickable to see the full analysis of that trade. We also have Trade Replay. Trade Replay lets our AI analyse your trades. It shows you what was working and what wasn't, and even makes visual suggestions on your take profit and entries and stop loss. Our charts show you everything from win rate to how much you're risking per month to what your best trading day is. We also have backtesting, and backtesting on FX Bullsheet is unique because you can allow yourself to set up a prop firm challenge, allowing you to see how you would pass that challenge and if you would pass that challenge. It also means that you can run multiple prop firms at once to see which prop firm suits your trading style the best. You can easily set up trades using the long and short position tool. You can click place order, define your lots, which will estimate your loss and profit, and then you can run playback. And this runs live, so you can see the unrealized P&L going as it progresses. You can edit the trades, create a trailing stop loss, or you can close out the trade. And when you close out the trade, that will affect your prop firm challenge's progress. You can even analyze your backtesting sessions, seeing which strategy worked, and then compare them to another strategy to see which one performed better overall. And this is the good bit. If you have a coach that's on FX Bullsheet, they can set you up, set goals and targets to achieve, and it live tracks whether you're going to hit them or fail them. You can also review your coach's logs every month, and furthermore, you can set up your own checklist, ensuring that you stick to your strategy with weighted metrics before you enter a trade. You can sign up here for a 7-day free trial with no credit card required, or you can start today for as little as $5 a month using the code WELCOME5, which then returns to less than $20 a month after that. So if you want to become profitable, you need to try FX Bullsheet.